Good evening and welcome back to Life in the Higham House. Monday night.
Crazy night.
And we're walking into another crazy night. Amy's going to be leaving here in a few minutes to go to a Bible study. We just got back in from seeing Star Wars for the second time. And now we're going to take a minute before we have dinner and we're going to open up today's gift. So, let's go ahead and see this. Before we do it though, I need a picture of the...
Okay, this is day 4, right?
So we are at day 4.
The 4 calling birds were... What?
The 4 Gospels.
You just read. Cheater. Yes, the 4 Gospels. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Which are the first 4 books of the...
Bible. New Testament.
Oh. Oh my daddy. We have some work to
Well,
do.
no. I just said something.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, read your book.
Genesis is the first book of the Bible.
Read.
Read! No words. It's time for you. It's time.
Come on. You can't read as it is.
No, I can't.
Nice. Let's go.
It's
13.
Come on, the hot dogs are... Hot dogs start at the bottom.
Obviously, it's funny if you laugh.
It's time for Aiden to go once again. I'm running out of. I'm running out of rhymes. When does this end? I know it's been painful at times, quite absurd. But we're almost finished. You have my word.
Ah, word is
I know.
in red.
But it's the
I think it's the
Bible.
Bible.
Something
Something about with the Bible.
Oh,
That was really cool.
That was close.
Oh, I forgot.
You know,
What's supposed to work?
look in that thing right now.
Oh, no, they have it.
No, it's not in the middle.
Oh, it's a Sir
it's like got
Speed
double.
box.
Oh.
You're lucky there was
And that's
a
what
camera
happens
there.
in our house all day long. See that? Throw the paper over on the floor because, you know.
Mom will clean it up.
Yeah, exactly. Like, why should we, like, take care of our crap?
We need to light the candles too.
Oh, yeah.
We haven't done that. Okay. The 4 Gospels, which are filled with God's spoken word. Remember these words that remind us of our Heavenly Father and how awesome His love and grace are.
Remember these
Hold
four
on,
what?
hold on. Good.
Bugs.
Good.
Ah, these 4 words that
How
remind
did
us.
you know?
So, what do you think the 4 words are?
Pray.
Pray. Oh, cute. They make these. Oh,
You think?
oh,
they
they didn't
just
made
wrote
it.
on it.
Yeah, they wrote. Pray.
It's a gray.
No. Keys. That's cute. I like them.
Oh, we're having hot chocolate tonight.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Not now.
One.
No.
Leave it to Aiden with the fragile
Faith?
ones. We love
Hope.
you,
I bet
Aiden.
you it's hope. It's hope. It's hope.
Love.
Right, stop.
Mercy. How many left?
I bet you there's 7. What do you think?
There's actually 1. 8.
Why would there be 8?
They
Knew
count.
it.
Right, the whole world knows. On YouTube.
Oh, Grace. Sorry.
We're gonna have 7 soon.
Oh, man.
Where you go?
Cute.
Drop, dry, peace. Hope. Oh, I got it. There was going to be hope.
Right, sit down.
There's no more in
His box to open.
Your chance is over. You're done.
No more gifts till Christmas morning,
Not even.
if you're lucky.
Joy.
And love. Gotta be love. Love, joy, peace. Great.
No. Wait, no, there's only 7.
Open up the next one.
And a baby one. Oh, that's really cute. Oh my god.
Wait. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Cute.
And hot chocolate.
Oh,
And the hot chocolate.
gosh. So sweet.
They knew we.
All right, so we gotta see, line them all up so they can be all be seen.
Really? Sweet.
Oh, Will, what are you doing? What are you doing? Here,
What are you doing? I want to eat.
Marshmallow.
Gosh, I want to be as creative as this person. This is like
Have you ever seen my Halloween costumes? They're pretty creative.
Yeah, that you didn't wear.
Oh, it is love.
There, see?
That's why I got all
There you go.
teary-eyed. Love.
Does this mean we have to love this next kid?
Yeah, you will love it.
And a box of things. Is there any more to read on this?
Chocolate. Nope, that's good. That's it.
All
Very
right.
cool.
Very clever. Very cool. And that brings us to the end of. What day even is this? Is this day 5, day 6, day 4? Day 4.
Monday, December 21st. There's 4 days
Day
until
4.
Christmas.
Here,
4
Mark, this is
days
for you.
till
No,
Christmas.
it's not.
New baby's born for you.
No, it's not.
So,
Not
thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe.
Please
and,
thumbs up.
Please
Oh,
thumbs
yeah,
up.
Thumbs up.
Please.
We hear lots of people say, we like your videos, but no one clicks on the thumbs up.
No one
click on
thumbs
the
up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Wow.
I'm just saying, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. That would help us out.
Well, I do think they have to have a YouTube account
I'm not being
or a Gmail. If they have a Gmail account, a Google account, or a
Oh,
YouTube
well, yeah.
account.
Yeah, we don't care if you watch them. We just want you
Yes.
to like them. That's all that
Yeah.
really matters here.
No.
I'm
But
just saying.
if you do like
You
it,
want us
thumb
to
up
keep continuing.
and leave a comment. Let us know that you're watching. We appreciate that. And we'll keep making these. Other than that, subscribe. Have a great night, day, wherever time of the day you're watching this. Hope the rest of it is just fine. We're going to have some dinner and enjoy the rest of our evening. So we'll see you next time.
1, 2, 3.